Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video, we are going to analyze the gold chart on the basis of price action levels, and we are going to discuss the latest COT report, and we will also discuss the data from the open interest so that we can utilize these levels in upcoming trading sessions. So you can see from the chart that gold tried to continue its recovery from the recent low. This low is around 1614, and this after this low, gold, you can see, sharply moved upside due to decline on DXY, but overall gold closed in red, and this is the sixth consecutive month in red amid the prospects of further hikes in the US interest rates. So we will discuss these levels later in this video, but let's start with the COT report. So this is the latest COT report that we have, and if you are following the video and if you are following me in Telegram channel, you already knows that in the previous COT report the sentiments was bearish, and we have seen a decline of price from the opening price. As you can see from the chart, this was the opening around this level, around 1645, and gold made a low around 16145 level. And after the decline on DXY due to fundamental news and due to intervention by BOE, gold sharply pushed price toward the highest level. But if we look at the recent, or you can say the latest COT report, you can see that we are looking at the managed money, and if we look in the change in position, this is still showing the same sentiment. Why? Because you can see that in the net long position they are still pulling the money, and they are adding money in the short contracts. So this showing still the bearish sentiment for gold, as we have seen in the previous week and the week before that. So overall we have a bearish sentiment from this COT report. And if we look on the open interest chart, this is the open interest chart over the heat map, and we closed at around 1661 level. And if we look over to this heat map, this is the closing price at around this level here. So below that, you can say, and you can see here that 1650 is a important price level, because you can see we have a good number of put writing over this place, and this might act as support. And below that we have 1630 is important price level, and above from the current price is the level of 1675 that we already seen in Friday trading session, that it tried very hard to break out this level but failed to break out. And because we have, you can see, a good number of call writing and put writing over this place. Above that we have 1680, which you know that it is the multi-year support, and above that 1700. So these are the level on open interest that we have to look for. And if we talk about the daily time frame, and you can see, and we already discussed this chart on previous video also, I think. And if you look over to this chart, you can clearly see that gold is trading inside this descending channel, and this is on daily time frame. And as you can see, the 1680 is still, you can see that gold is trading below this level, and this is a very important price level. So gold is not able to break out, so we can't look for buy, I think, because this is a very important price level. If gold is able to break out, then we can look for buy, otherwise the sentiments remain bearish and we can look for sell. because overall the red, oh sorry, this daily candle is still, you can see, showing some rejection. So we have to look for sell if it is not able to break out the recent high, or you can say the Friday session high. And this is the intraday chart on 15-minute time frame. And if you look over to this trend line, you can see that gold currently break down this trend line over here, and it is currently supported by this price zone, the zone around 1660 to 1662, because this is was the recent swing high, and it is currently taking as support. And now for intraday level, I think, or if the price is open below the CPR level, we have to look for the sell, because the CPR level going to act as a resistance. But if gold able to break out this level, then we can look for buy. Otherwise the trend might test this swing higher high, because this was the first, and this was previously, let me show you, was a resistance. Now this level is a support, and this is at around 1640 to 42 price zone. So this is the level that gold can retest in the lower side. These are the level on the intraday level. And if we look on the DXY chart, we get some help from the DXY and gold. We have seen that in last 3 days gold tried to test the 1680 but failed. But overall we are getting some help, because this is, you can see, this is the ascending channel that currently DXY following. But this is a very good resistance trend line, as you can see. And this is the monthly chart, and this is showing some rejection, but the rejection is not confirmed yet, because we need a red closing candle below this, and then we can expect some decline, which will create room for gold bulls, and we can look for bull buy on gold. But overall we are still in huge selling pressure. So we will discuss more about those levels that gold can follow in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. So thank you and good luck.